In this example, we're looking at how to pass data from a parent component to a child component using props in React. We start with the parent component, named parent component. It's a React class component that includes a render method. Inside the render method, we first define an object named userDetails, which contains three properties: name, age, and email. We then return a div containing our child component. Notice how we pass the userDetails object to the child component through its user prop. Next, let's examine the child component, which receives the userDetails passed down from the parent component. It's also a React class component with a render method. Inside the render method, we use object destructuring to extract the name, age, and email properties from the user prop. The destructuring syntax is a handy way to access these properties directly without having to repeatedly use this prop's user name. Finally, we render these values inside a series of paragraphs within a div. As you can see, passing data via props lets us easily share information between parent and child components in a React application.